Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Arhambat and I am from the Chemistry department. And my room number is 16. In this presentation, I discuss the great personality who got Nobel Prize. The great personality is Stephen Walter Hall. He got Nobel Prize in 2014 by discovering the fluorescent microscope. History: he was born into a Bennett Swabin family in Arad, Romania. His father was an engineer in a managerial position in a company. His mother was a primary school teacher of mathematics. When Hell was 16, the family migrated to Germany. Educational history: Stephen began his studies at the Heidelberg University in 1981. He received his doctorate in physical chemistry in 1919. His thesis advisor was the solid-state physicist Dr. Siegfried Honklinker. The title of the thesis was "Imagining the Transparent Microstructure in a Confocal Microscope." From 1991 to 1993, he worked at the European Microbiology Laboratory in Heidelberg. From 1993 to 1996, he worked as the group leader at the University of Turku, Finland, in the Department of Medical Physics. From 1993 to 1994, Hell was also for 6 months a visiting scientist at the University of Oxford. On 15 October 2002, Hell became a director of the Max Planck Institute for Biophysics Physical Chemistry in Göttingen. 2003, Hell was also been the leader of the department Optical Nanoscopy Division at the German Cancer Research Center in Hamburg. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2014 was awarded jointly to Eric Bedzin, Stephen Walter Hell and William E. Morner for the development of a super-resolved fluorescent microscopy. Publication of his research: optical microscope was limited. It could never obtain a better resolution. It could never become better than the zero point 0.2 microscope. Optical microscope is not useful for seeing the internal structure of molecule. So scientists made a fluorescent microscope. This microscope have resolution in nanometers. This microscope is more than hundreds times sharper than the conventional light microscope. This is the picture of fluorescent microscope that the Stephen formed working. Light of the exciting light of the excitation wavelength illuminates the specimen through objective lens. The fluorescent emitted by the specimen is focused to the detector by the same objective that is used for the excitation, which for greater resolution will need objective lens with a higher numerical aperture, since most of the excitation light is transmitted through the specimen. Only reflected excited light reach to the objective together with the emitted light, and the epifluorescence method therefore give a high signal to noise ratio. The dichrome beam split act as a wavelength specific filter transmitting fluorescent light through to the eyepiece or detector by reflecting any remaining excitation back to light back toward the source. This is the systematic diagram. The source which emitted light and the excitation filter and dichrome mirror. Dichrome mirror reflect the light into an objective or a specimen. When specimens release again a light, uh, uh, this light pass through the dichrome mirror and then to the detector or eyepiece. These are the websites through which the lectures are available on fluorescent microscope. Thank you.
बट साहब जो इसमें इमेज आप बनते हैं इससे, उसका कोई इमेज का नहीं कोई पिक्चर मिला आपको?
इमेज की है थी सर पीछे।
वो भी कोई लगा देते ताकि मैं पता चलता कि किस तरह का इमेज बनता है ना इससे।
पिक्स है थी तो मैंने ना हाली मैं क्या हाली नेम इन्हीं की लगा देता हूँ,
हाँ,
इनकी
नहीं
मैंने
वो एक
लिखी
आधी
होती है
अगर
पिक्स
उसमें
काफी।
लगा देते तो जरा उससे आइडिया हो जाता कि इस तरह का इस माइक्रोस्कोप का इमेज बनता है। एनीवे ठीक है, स्क्रीन शेयरिंग ऑफ कर दे।